there are a lot of kababayans who are working just enough for their meal every day. Like, they are the ones who experience inequality, often being taken advantage of by those people who proclaim that they are educated but act like animals. Now, there is a quote that states, "The poor are getting poorer while the rich are getting richer." My take on this saying is that because mostly the people who earn below the minimum wage do not have the opportunity and connection to improve their lives. So individuals like me and you, organizations and businesses have a moral and ethical obligation to take actions that help alleviate and address poverty. It's about recognizing that the poverty is a systemic problem that affects the well-being of the entire community, and that everyone has a role to play in creating a more equitable society.